Hey there you guys! So it's been a while since the last time I vlogged, and that's because I've been busy with the school. But guess what, today I just passed my final requirement for my first year here in Ateneo, and God, that feels so satisfying. So now I'm gonna go grab some lunch, and then after, since I'm done with this school year, I'm gonna go thrift shopping. And yeah. Okay, so I just finished eating, but biglang nag-aya yung friends ko to eat outside. So we're gonna eat again. Sira diet. What? So now we're in UPTC. This is when yung plan ko to thrift shop. So yeah. Look at this stupid creature. Kanina umakita siya ng escalator. And Shawson and I were going up the escalator. Bumaba ulit siya. Okay guys, so hindi na ako natuloy mag-thrift shop because this guy and what?
You should make properly.
Because di ba nga sila Shawson, they planned a gala or something. And yun, I got the mad.
Censor that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that. So, sinamad na ako. Now we're here in mcdoor. Bibili ng mcdoor knob si Johnson. We're gonna try it. Yeah guys, he's buying his mcdoor knob. So change of plans, I'm gonna thrift shop on Saturday, I guess, or maybe tomorrow.
Tapos i-upload mo yan mga next month.
Stop attacking me, okay? I get it. I rarely upload.
Gusto ko nang i-unbox. Dapat yung vlog na. Unboxing.
Okay.
Alam mo yung mga unboxing?
Yeah. So the title of this vlog will be Unboxing mcdoor knob.
Baka mo sinabi mo yung mcdoor na sa harap ng kasi.
They don't make it though.
Ha?
They don't make it.
Eh, stuff na rin sila eh.
At least it's not the owner. So this is the part where we unbox the mcdoor knob. Taste it, taste
Bango
it.
Amoy coco. Smell. Guys, please. Hindi. I was talking to my viewers.
Oh, okay.
Smell, guys. Coco. Legit. No. Ikaw. Promise. Amoy coco.
Oh my gosh, yeah, actually.
Nesty lang.
Bakit yun na may ice cream? Masarap yung ice cream.
Lasang nesty. Wait lang. Tingnan.
How was it?
Nesty talaga.
Hindi as ang doorknob.
Doorknob.
Legit ba? Like, are you kidding me?
No, try. Doorknob.
Like no, as in doorknob talaga yung...
Doorknob.
How does
Lasang
doorknob...
metal.
Ah, okay, sige. Why?
Doorknob.
Why
Try
yung
mo.
all?
Try mo.
Yung ice cream.
So, she's gonna try the door. Sabi ko yung milk. Sarap ng ice cream.
Yeah.
Diba? Doorknob.
I hate how I get kung bakit doorknob.
Diba?
Hey, pero masarap siya with the ice cream.
Worth 50 pesos. Okay lang.
I mean, you get what you pay for. Enjoy siya dun sa free taste here in UPTC, oh. Busog ka? So it is the day after the UPTC date with Shawson and Jansen, and as I said yesterday, or earlier if you're watching the vlog. But anyway, as I said, my plans to go thrift shopping didn't really push through, but it's okay because I have no regrets, because it's always a fun time when I'm with Trisha and Jansen. So I think I'll just go thrift shopping on Saturday, but I'll also vlog that. So that's it for this video. Bye!